Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shad Godoy and today we're going to talk about one application that really helps me when I'm doing internet research or I'm web scraping. You call it web scraping, like data entry, web scraping the internet. So it's just meaning that if you're going to do research, you're going to scrape the web. So this application enables me to automate web scraping. So what is this application? It is called Hexomatic. So Hexomatic partner with me in order for me to showcase what I can do to your business or work, because this is very perfect for people who are looking for leads in the internet or looking for a very efficient way in order for them to do research. So if you're a virtual assistant, business owner, this application can really helps you. So let's start. So if you have an account here in Hexomatic, so you can actually do the research here and automate everything. So let's start with a simple one. Like let's do a research about like virtual assistants, because I'm a VA and I already done researching medical virtual assistant data. So I'm just going to repeat it in order for me to showcase to you what it can do. So here in Hexomatic, all you need to do is go to the workflows and click show all templates. So it's loading. So if you want to do a simple web research or if you want to scrape the internet, you can just like you can just like select scrape Google search to a spreadsheet if you want to scrape Google, but you can also scrape Bing. You can also scrape other platform, but uh, just for this demo, I'm going to do the scrape Google search. So we're going to be looking for example, I'm a medical virtual assistant, I'm a nurse, and I want to apply as a medical VA. What I'm going to do is scrape um, or apply as a medical virtual assistant. So this is my keyword just for this research. I'm going to type in this keyword here. So and click 100 if you want 100 results. Okay, from 1 to 100, but you can lower this down from 1 to 50 if you just want to. If you just want 50 results, you can just type in 50, but in this case we're looking for 100 um medical VA websites that we can apply, no? So and also you can change the country. So for example, you just want to specify Philippines, no, Philippine websites that hire medical virtual assistants, right? So we're going to select Philippines because I'm a Filipino, and select Philippines for your country. So but you can specify if you want to search for medical virtual assistant websites in the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, or other major countries like Middle East, you can do it. But just for this example, we are going to run Philippines. Okay. So we have the keyword. The workflow is Google search, keyword, number of results that we're looking, 100. Um, Search type organic. So this will not going to be looking for paid ads. All right, just organic results in Google, because sometimes Google show you paid results, right? And country. All right. So and then we're going to name this one in order for us not to lose the data. We're going to name it medical virtual assistant demo 100 because 100 results. So, okay, if we're done, we can just click and continue. And then also you have an option if you want to get notified via email that your research is done and it's available for you to download. You can just select send email when a workflow completes or fails. All right. So click check this one and then run now. So we're running this and the computer or the application we're going to run your search. As you can see, it's in progress right now. So all you need to do is wait. Like in my experience, I just need to wait like 3 to 5 minutes in order for it to run 100 search results. All right, it depends on the number of search results. But if you're looking for 1,000 search results or 2,000, 10,000, it might going to take like 30 minutes, but because it has so many like search results. But if they're going to if you're just going to automate and look for 100 search results for a certain keyword, you just need to wait like 5 minutes of your time. Okay, so let's wait, sit back and relax. Okay, it is done. Okay, we receive an email that the research has been done by the AI, by the artificial intelligence. So they're done scraping the internet for results. So this email, you can just click download here or go to your dashboard and see the status right now is done. You can just click the export the result in order for you to download it as an Excel file. Okay, and then click CSV. Okay, just save and then click CSV file. And here we go. This is the result. So if we're going to count how many? 95 only? Okay, maybe the result of Google is maxed at 95 searches. So that's the reason why we only have 95 items here. But um, if if it will allow, it will allow if there's many virtual assistant websites here in the Philippines for medical virtual assistants, it will surpass 95. But if you're going to search United States, it will going to get 100 search results for this. But for this instance, we just have 95. Okay, so let's take a look of the result if this is valid or this app is just like is trash. Okay, so as you can see, there's VA Care. We are hiring. Then there's my mountain mover, virtual medical assistant for my mountain mover. Okay, my virtual medical virtual assistant, my mountain mover CEO. I know this. She's one of my friends in Facebook. So this is legit. Okay, this is legit. Okay, I already vlogged this one, VA Care. If you, as you can see, the my recent vlog before this one, I vlog about VA.care. So this is legit also. So yeah, this app is really very useful. As you can see, there's a lot of website here that I know that is legit. HelloRage.com. Hiring, they're also hiring medical virtual assistants or assistants that help the healthcare industry. So this is also legit. Okay, if you want to join their team, you can just look for apply to become a healthcare virtual assistant here. Apply now. So this is legit also. One thing in order for you to know that the website is legit is that they show who they are. Like they have a team, meet the team, they have about section, they're showing their face. Because some websites that looking for virtual assistant, but they don't indicate who are them, where they're located. Like the Indian websites that I saw a while ago, it's a scam. So if you want to check whether the website is legit or not, you can go to the about section and search about the team and all the testimonials, and yeah, and maybe you can find work if you want. So, but for the purpose of showcasing this application really helps us because there's a ton of websites here that looks like legit, like this virtual medical assistants. Yeah, you're not going to provide or make a good website like this one if you're not legit. You're not going to spend a lot of money. So see, there's an about us section, and you can read more about the company, where they located. See, this is located major cities in the Philippines. So Manila, Rojas, Iloilo, Cebu, Bacolod. They are located in those good regions in the Philippines. If you're not a Filipino, these regions are mostly crowded. Mostly the population is quite dense if you are here in the Philippines, if you check it out. But honestly, guys, um, this is a very good search results that has been provided by this application, Hexomatic. If you want to try this application, all you need to do is hexomatic.com or check the link in the description below. And if you're a virtual assistant or a virtual assistant for a business owner and you're doing a lot of lead generation or data scraping, researching the internet, you can check Hexomatic and take a look because there's a lot of recipes here. What I mean is there's a lot of things that you can do with this application. You can search stores in the US via Google Maps, see, like create icebreakers for Google Map leads. You can get leads out of a Google Map. There's a lot of things that you can do, or verify email address if you have a list of email address and if you want to verify those email address lists. And also if you have a list of websites and you want to track down all the emails for those websites, you can also do this in this application. You can run your artificial intelligence research. But just the research alone, just doing the research and automating it alone, like we did 100 websites in just flick of a key, 5 minutes, and you have a 95 results for medical virtual assistants. And if you're a nurse VA, it's very helpful for you and you did not waste time. you know so don't forget to click the link below and check this website. Try this application, suggest it to your clients. And I hope to see you in my next video because we're going to test some things here in this application that will really will help virtual assistants and other business owners in order for them to ease their pain of doing manual work. So artificial intelligence is here. Don't be afraid to use it. Thank you guys and have a nice day. And this is Chad Godoy. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.